Okay, so for the marinade, we're going to use mustard, red wine vinegar, onion powder, brown sugar, an Asian chili sauce, garlic, salt, ginger, and pineapples. You can do regular mustard or Dijon mustard. I'm doing regular because that's all I have right now. Also soy sauce and this brown sugar bourbon marinade. It wasn't in the recipe, but I'm going to add it since it's that brown sugar flavor. So after the marinade is done, I'm going to show you guys how that looks. So after you make your marinade, you just want to mix all the juices together, and you want to let your chicken or whatever meat you want to sit in here for like 4 to 6 hours and refrigerate it. And then I'll show you what to do next after that, but this is how it looks after you mix it up. So after the chicken marinated for a couple of hours, I put it on this little grill pan because it's a recipe for the grill. So if you don't have this, you can just use a regular grill. Then I sliced up some plantains and I have them frying in some coconut oil. Make sure they're sliced really thin so they can cook all the way through, and that coconut oil is going to help bring out the natural sweetness. And you just want to cook them until they are light brown. This is the perfect color right here for them to be when you flip them over. And then you want to boil your rice and peas in about 2.5 cups of water. And I also add like a tablespoon of coconut oil to help with some of the flavor and so it won't stick. So there's that, and I will keep you guys tuned in on how it turns out. So this is the final touch, and I tasted a piece of chicken, y'all. It turned out real good.